welcome to or welcome back to Hello High for another great cannabis recipe. Now, you guys, I tell you how I make all of my infusions in the Hello High Ultra Infuser every single video. So I keep getting questions about how do I make my butter and how do I make my oil? Well, it's simple. Go to Amazon.com or the Hello High Cooks website and purchase you a Hello High Ultra Infuser. Now, this infuser is an all-in-one, so it does the decarb for you, and it also helps with small batches, which for personal use is great, so you don't waste all of your herb. But this infuser can make oil, it can make butter, and it can even make alcohol tinctures. So with that being said, please go pick one up, and if you already have, please leave a review. I beg you guys every single time, please leave a review, It helps, it helps, it helps. And thank you to everyone who has already purchased one. And today I'm showing you how to make strawberry, which you know is my favorite, white chocolate cookies. And I'm actually using a butter infusion that I made in the Hello High Ultra Infuser. So if you're ready for some quick and easy recipe, let's get started.
Now for this recipe, you'll need white sugar, light brown sugar, an egg, vanilla extract, all-purpose flour or cake flour, baking soda, salt, white chocolate wafers, freeze-dried strawberries, and that good old canna butter. Add 1 1/4 cup or 150 grams of all-purpose flour or cake flour